Let's begin with breaking updates coming in. The Congress party protesting. The protests have now begun over NEET, demanding justice for the students. Remember, the Congress party has planned protests across the country. My colleagues Amandeep as well as Niyamika are joining us on the broadcast with the live updates. Niyamika, the Congress party has raised the issue of NEET. Today, massive protests expected. The Congress party demanding accountability and justice for the students. What's happening on ground?
ये धूप ये गर्मी हमें रोक नहीं सकती, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले, युवाओं की
But the Congress party is doing a nationwide protest, as we have seen that how the Congress has been aggressively raising the matter of NEET exam, and for that reason now today there is a nationwide protest which is going on. We are standing outside the Delhi Congress headquarters where the Congress members have gathered and they are raising slogans against the government of India. Currently, the Delhi Congress President Devendra Yadav is addressing this protest, and we have been joined by the other Congress members as well. Congress leader Jai Kishan is joining us right now. सर, क्या कुछ डिमांड है आप लोगों की, क्योंकि आज देश भर में कांग्रेस पार्टी प्रदर्शन कर रही है, नीट का मुद्दा लगातार कांग्रेस की तरफ से उठाया जा रहा है।
एक के बाद एक अन्याय जो हो रहा है, चाहे युवा हो, चाहे महिला हो, चाहे किसान हो, चाहे सरकारी कर्मचारी हो, चाहे दलित हो, चाहे माइनॉरिटी हो, क्या उनका देश नहीं है? क्या उनका इस देश में भविष्य नहीं है? क्या ये सरकार कुछ चंद मुट्ठी भर पूंजीपतियों के लिए काम करने के लिए सरकार में आई है? और आज इन्होंने जो अन्याय किया है युवाओं के करोड़ों भविष्य के साथ, उसके खिलाफ कांग्रेस राहुल गांधी के नेतृत्व में सड़क पर उतरी है। ये अन्याय कांग्रेस बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी।
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान की तरफ से कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी एड्रेस की गई है, मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को ले रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि इसकी पूरी जांच की जाएगी, कमेटी भी फॉर्म की गई है। तो क्या अभी भी आप लोग सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं है, क्योंकि इस सरकार से भरोसा उठ गया है। ये सरकार झूठ बोलती है। राम राज लाएंगे, गंगा माई साफ करेंगे, गौ विद्या बंद कराएंगे, अच्छे दिन लाएंगे, काला धन लाएंगे, और क्या कहते हैं 3 करोड़ नौकरी देंगे, 15-15 लाख रुपए देंगे। कुछ भी नहीं आया। राम का नाम लेने वाली, ढिंडोरा पीटने वाली, राम के नाम से सियासत करने वाली पार्टी आज अयोध्या में हार गई। मुंह दिखाने के लिए पूरी दुनिया में जगह नहीं है। युवाओं के भविष्य के साथ जो खिलवाड़ किया है, कांग्रेस इन न्याय को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी। राहुल गांधी की लीडरशिप, देश का कांग्रेस का कार्यकर्ता सड़क पर आ गया है। ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देंगे।
You have listened the voices from the ground, as you can see in the visuals as well, that these are the banners which the Congress workers are holding. It is saying that NEET परीक्षा का पेपर लीक, मोदी जी कहते हैं सब कुछ ठीक. So that is what the Congress party is saying. Congress has been continuously raising questions that why a clean sheet was being given to the NTA earlier by the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. However, yesterday we have seen that how Dharmendra Pradhan had done a press conference in which he has taken a moral responsibility of this paper leak, but the Congress is holding this nationwide protest. You can see in the visuals as well that these are the senior leaders of the Delhi Congress who are currently addressing the protesters here.
So protests have broken out not just in New Delhi, in Chandigarh, in Jammu, in several locations in Jaipur as well. Niyamika, my apologies. I'll come back to you in just a moment. Pradeep and Gajraj are also joining us. Pradeep, the Congress party has said that the cancellation of the UGC NET exam is the victory of the spirit of the students and demanding the same in the NEET examinations. What's happening in the protest in Jammu?
And right now you can see the Congress workers here out of state, they are raising slogans. They have burnt the effigy of the government. They are demanding resignation of the education minister. They are saying that he has misled the country by saying that there had been no paper leak. They want the action need to be initiated. And here right now, let me ask, what for you are protesting?
एग्जाम कैंसिल हो जाए, एग्जाम जो है कैंसिल हो जाए, दोबारा इसका टेस्ट किया जाए, और जो इसमें मुलविस हैं इमीडिएटली इंक्वायरी बिठा के उनको अरेस्ट किया जाए।
ये वोट रेजिग्नेशन क्यों चाहते हैं आप धर्मेंद्र प्रधान?
इसमें डायरेक्ट चोरी हुई है। 720 स्टूडेंट डायरेक्ट टॉपर आए हैं। 10 तारीख को इन्होंने जो विंडो ओपन की थी वो एक ही दिन के लिए
बीजेपी कह रही है आरजेडी इन्वॉल्व है।
ने चोरियां की, जम्मू कश्मीर में सब इंस्पेक्टर में चोरियां निकली, अकाउंट सिस्टम में चोरियां निकली। अभी इन्होंने एसएसबी की 6000 पोस्टें जो है वो वापस ली है।
Here you can see right now they have burnt the effigy of the government. They are raising slogans. examination, and there has been a paper leak. It is one after another examination are being cancelled, and because of it, the people are facing lot many problems. And in fact, it is about the future of the student get affected. क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
देखिए, हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जैसे नीट के पेपर लीक हुए, आप पिछले 2014 से लेके अभी नेट का पेपर भी लीक हो गया। ये मोदी सरकार ने बुरा हाल कर दिया, छात्र इनसे दुखी है। सभी चीजें
You can see they are right now trying to block the road, and here right police is trying to stop them also. And here you can see they are protesting. They are saying that the BJP government has failed to conduct examination properly. This is not the only examination to be cancelled. There are many examinations in J&K that have been also cancelled, and now net examination has also been cancelled. Though they are saying this is high time when action needs to be initiated properly, matter need to be investigated, and the onus falls on the education minister, and he should resign. And here you can see. क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
तो ये सारे ये नेट के एग्जाम जो है दोबारा होने चाहिए। जो हर बार इनकी आदत है पेपर लीक करने की, ताकि बच्चों को नौकरियां ना दे मिल सके। इनका एक ही काम है, बच्चे अनपढ़ रहे, गंवार रहे, और इनका
the BJP is playing with the future of the country. Here you can see the men in khaki. They have formed a kind of human chain. They are preventing the Congress leader from moving from the side. Already the barricades have been raided, and nationwide protests are right now continuing. This protest has intensified, and here they're holding their NSUI flag, the Congress flag, and they're out on street. They are saying that they will not sit silent until the action is initiated against the education minister, because the field education minister has misled. So far the BJP is concerned, BJP has blamed the RJD for this kind of a scam. They are saying that RJD is responsible, but his ally, as RJD is ally of the INDA bloc, so they are not speaking. Neither Rahul Gandhi nor any other Congress leader is raising a voice against that. But so far as the Congress leaders are concerned and the workers are concerned, they are out on street. They are trying to make it an issue, because they say it is about the future of the youngsters, because BJP somewhere seems to be playing with the future of the country. The press conference by Education Minister is not enough. This is the time when action needs to be initiated, and here you can see right now they are holding the placards in their hand. On that it is written the paper leaks scam. Pehle NEET leak, UGC net, kitne aur paper leak honge. They are holding that picture of the Dharmendra Pradhan. They want that this man need to resign, and here you can see they are protesting, raising slogans. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
सर, कभी जम्मू कश्मीर में, कभी देश के किसी राज्य में, और आज भारत में जो नीट का एग्जाम हुआ, कितने छात्रों ने आत्महत्या की। मैं इसके लिए पूरी तरह से भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए सरकार को दोषी मानता हूं।
कांग्रेस बीजेपी का कहना है कि आरजेडी के मुलविस है। आप इसमें
देखिए, पिछले 5 साल में 43 बार पेपर लीक हुआ है, और एनईटी का जब पेपर लीक हुआ तो प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Here you can see they are trying to block roads, and now the police has already barricaded this area. Police is trying to prevent the Congress workers from moving ahead. And here right now you can see the minor scuffle between the police and the Congress worker. They are raising slogans. They are saying that we will not stop protesting till this matter is sorted out, because at the end of the day it is about the future of the youngsters. That is what the Congress is betting. But politics over the issue is continuing. But nobody seems to be really serious about the future of the youngsters, because everybody is trying to score that political boundary point. That is really unfortunate. Here you can see police is trying to stop the Congress worker. They are trying to block the road. Is trying to stop and prevent them from moving. And already the protest here is continuing. And here you can see the police is trying to stop them. They have already barricaded the area. They have pushed the barricades aside. And here right now you can see they are running towards the road and moving ahead. क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नीट का एग्जाम दोबारा करवाना चाहिए। गवर्नमेंट का टोटल फेलियर आ जाए। 26 लाख बच्चों के साथ टोटल खिलवाड़ कर दिया मोदी सरकार।
Okay, so Pradeep, we are seeing outrage in Jammu as well over the irregularities in the NEET and the allegations of paper leaks as well. Stay with us. We have Amandeep and Gajraj also joining us. Gajraj, we can see a lot of people behind you as well. Similar protests in Jaipur as well, demanding the cancellation of NEET. What are the protesters saying?
See, right now the protest has been, delayed by nearly half an hour from the proposed time that has been, called by the Congress. It is the main collective circle, and on my right you can see the traffic jam that has been done by this particular protest, and on my left it's a tent that has been placed for the Congress workers here protesting over the NEET, and we'll try to speak to a few of the Congress workers here. Sir, किस तरह से देखते हैं धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने भी कल जो पीसी करी है, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने कल पीसी करी है, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर का ये कहना है कि हम मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेते हैं, कमेटी का गठन करेंगे नीट के ऊपर। आप कैसे देखते हैं?
ये बहानेबाजी इनकी कुछ करना धरना है नहीं, इन्होंने बातें करते हैं केवल और युवाओं के भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं। आपने देखा होगा इतने 10 सालों से इस देश में भुगता है इनके कुशासन को, और आने वाले टाइम में कोई बहुत बड़ा योगदान इनका होने वाला नहीं है। ये अपनी सरकार बचाने में लगे हुए हैं, और आज तो इतना कमजोरी का इनके अंदर संचार हो रहा है जिसकी हद नहीं है। मोदी जी का डे बाय डे ग्राफ गिरता जा रहा है। ये अपनी आपसी खींचतान को बचाने में लगे हुए हैं, युवाओं के भविष्य के, और इनका फोकस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। मैं तो ये कहता हूँ इनिशियल आपको जब पहले आपने सस्पेंड किया था, आपने पहले आपने परीक्षा रद्द की थी, तो इस बार क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप नीट को? जब नेट आपने रद्द कर दी तो नीट रद्द करने में आपको इतनी देरी क्यों लग रही है?
राहुल गांधी का कहना है प्रधानमंत्री के काफिले में जो चप्पल फेंकी गई थी, उनका ही कहना है कि अब प्रधानमंत्री को किसी को डर नहीं है लोगों।
देखो सर्वविदित है, वाराणसी की वो घटना शर्मसार कर देने वाली, मैं उसका बिल्कुल भी महिमा मंडन नहीं करूंगा। वो शर्मसार करने वाली और अनैतिक घटना है। प्रधानमंत्री बहुत उच्च पद वाला पद है, हमारे सर्वोच्च पद है हमारे लिए, और मान सम्मान की बात है, गर्व उसका गौरव होना चाहिए। लेकिन वहां चप्पल फेंक करके जो रोष व्याप्त हुआ, कहीं न कहीं रोष तो दिखाया है जनता ने।
नीट के कैंसिलेशन की डिमांड कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
हाँ, नीट के कैंसिलेशन का 100% डिमांड कर रहे हैं। भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ हुआ है, आपका रिजल्ट लीक हुआ है, आपका पेपर लीक हुआ है, आपकी अनेक व्यवस्थाएं हुई है इस नीट में, तो क्यों नहीं है उसको रद्द कर दिया जाएगा?
राजस्थान में भी कई जो पेपर लीक हुए थे उनमें भाजपा के जो लीडर्स थे वो आरोप लगाते थे कि कांग्रेस के राज में पेपर लीक हुए हैं।
नहीं, ये आरोप प्रत्यारोप करना इनकी नियति है, खुद कुछ करना नहीं, आरोप प्रत्यारोप करके आगे बढ़ते रहना है। ये इनसे अब हटो बच्चों से काम नहीं चलने वाला। देश का युवा, देश का नागरिक अब समझदार हो गया है और इनकी चालों को समझ गया अच्छे से, तो वो अब लोहा मनवाएगा।
All right, so stay with us, Gajraj. So we have in New Delhi, in Jaipur, in Jammu protests breaking out. In Lucknow as well, several Congress workers have taken to the streets. Adeep, what's happening there?
Well, you can see that large number of Congress workers, including State President Ajay Rai, has stepped on street. They are protesting and they are heading towards Vidhan Sabha. However, heavy police deployment is here right outside the Congress office. Police have barricaded the entire area and they are not allowing Congress workers to go near the Vidhan Sabha. But however, you can see in the visuals, Ajay Rai himself is leading the protest, and you can see the massive number of Congress workers that have come up on the streets to protest against the NEET controversy that has been going on, and it's part of the nationwide protest by the Congress, and the Uttar Pradesh Congress is here on the streets protesting against the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and demanding justice for the students of NEET. They are saying that if Dharmendra Pradhan is taking moral responsibility, then he should resign immediately from his post, and all the culprits behind the NEET controversy, those who were involved in NEET exams and leaked the papers, they should be arrested immediately. Ajay Rai himself said that if Dharmendra Pradhan is taking moral responsibility, then he should resign immediately and he has no right to remain on that post. So you can see a massive protest here is going on in Lucknow. Back to you.
Okay, all right. So, big protests, the Congress workers hitting the streets, sloganeering, some burning effigies, demanding cancellation of NEET and accountability. Amandeep is also joining us from Chandigarh. Amandeep, the Congress workers have taken to the streets, sloganeering against the government, saying this is the future of the students and that there should be accountability in the government.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. The Congress is staging protests throughout the India and demanding the justice for the students of NEET. I would like to, just because we are inside the Punjab Congress office, and I would like to show you the visuals of the protest from here, if you can see, and even this is a massive protest. And Pratibha, the most important point is that Congress parliamentarian elected from Punjab, he has announced from the stage that issue will be taken up in the parliament also, and they are demanding to reschedule the NEET exam and cancel all the results and existing exam also. So this is all is happening, and in fact they are straight away leveling the allegations against the BJP in 7 parliamentarians from the state of Punjab, and in fact they have decided to take up the issue in the parliament also in the upcoming session, the first session of newly formed from Modi 3.0. So here you can see all the leaders, former ministers, parliamentarians, and in fact the Punjab Congress chief and elected parliamentarian from Ludhiana. He has also joined the protest. He is also reaching the protest. So they are continuously raising the slogans against Modi government, against BJP government, and demanding the justice for the students of NEET. And even they have decided to take up the issue in the parliament also, and they are demanding to reschedule the exam of NEET. And here you can listen also. We will try to speak to the Punjab Congress chief also, that who has just arrived here, and we will try to speak to Raja Madang also. Sir, you are today holding a very massive protest throughout the India, and you are going to attend the parliament session. So what is the demand?
So demand is, I think, under the सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरान में मेरे को लगता है इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए. द वे दे सेड कि भाई सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होगी. सीबीआई अंडर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ओनली. अभी तक देश में 43 बार एग्जाम लीक हो चुके हैं, 41 टाइम्स 5 साल के अंदर. बीजेपी कहती है कि हमने यूक्रेन की लड़ाई बंद करा दी है, लेकिन मेरे को लगता है कि देश में पेपर लीक तो बंद नहीं हुआ. 23.5 लाख नौजवानों के भविष्य की बात है. तो उसके लिए हमने पूरे देश भर में इसी प्रकार से प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सिटिंग जज के नीचे ये इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, नॉट अंडर द सीबीआई.
किसी भी इंडिपेंडेंट एजेंसी पे आप लोगों को भरोसा नहीं है?
We don't have a faith on any independent agency which is under Home Minister or Prime Minister.
So what are the plans? Just because Punjab is giving 7 parliamentarians to for the Congress party, what are the plans? How to take up the issue in the parliament?
So I think we'll take up this issue in the parliament only. There are another big issues, farmer issues, drug issues, law and order issues. All issues will take up in the next parliament.
So Pratibha, straight away demand is that no any independent agency. It is all about Supreme Court monitor investigation, and that is the reason this kind of protest is being organized throughout the country, and to press the demand for the thorough investigation monitored by Supreme Court. Yes.
Okay, so the Congress mounting massive nationwide protest. We are playing out visuals from different locations of the Congress party's protest. Adib, what's happening in that location you're in Lucknow? Massive protest taking place. The Congress party now saying not just hitting the streets against the government, the issue will also be raised in the parliament.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, you can see that Congress workers are being detained right now. Congress State President Ajay Rai himself jumped from the barricades, and the police has started detaining the Congress workers. You can see a scuffle is going on between the Congress workers and Lucknow police. Lucknow police is trying to detain all the Congress workers that are marching towards Vidhan Sabha for their protest. You can see these are the Congress workers who are raising their flags, and all of them are jumping on the barricades, and some of the workers have already been detained. Ajay Rai himself is struggling with the police. Police is trying to control the Congress workers here in Lucknow. Ajay Rai jumped from the barricade, and now police are one by one they are detaining each and every Congress worker. They will be sent to the protest site in Eco Garden, and you can see in the visuals these are the Congress workers which are being female Congress workers which are being detained by the Uttar Pradesh police, Lucknow police. They are being taken in a police bus, and from here you can see they are lying on the ground, and how these Congress workers, especially female Congress workers, are being detained by the Lucknow police. Back to you.
Okay, so the Congress workers are being detained by the police officials in Lucknow. They are protesting in different locations across the country. We show you updates from Lucknow, from Jammu, from New Delhi, Chandigarh. The protests have broken out in Jaipur as well. We're continuing our live coverage. Quick break. We'll be right back.